Find out about making money online here. The internet is becoming an increasingly popular way to make money. Opportunities to make money online are increasing, but not everything you see out there is worth your efforts. It's important to know what to do if you want to make money on the internet. Watch this video for advice that will help you. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Perform a Google search to locate money-making opportunities. Your query will generate a lot of results. If you locate a company that interests you, read reviews first. After watching reviews, proceed carefully. Enter contests and sweepstakes. By just entering one contest, your odds aren't great. Your odds are substantially better, however, when you enter multiple contests regularly. Taking a little time to enter a few free contests daily could really pay off in the future. Make a new email account just for this purpose. You don't want your inbox overflowing with spam. There are legitimate money-making opportunities online as well as scams. Check out any company you want to work with before you shake hands. The BBB is great for checking out a company's reputation. Making money online is something you can't just do overnight. You have to stick to your plan and remember that perseverance will get you through the tough times. The harder you work at it, the more you will make, so steel your determination and keep watching video like this one to learn more. Many people make good money online by flipping domain names. You can find trending keywords by using Google AdWords. Use these keywords to create domain names that you feel will soon be popular. If these are in short supply, you may do well simply creating acronyms at random. When a person seeking that acronym attempts to create a website, your domain name for sale will pop up. Clearly, lots of options exist for generating income online. When you know what your plan is, you can start making some extra money. Perhaps you could replace your current source of income. Take some time to become knowledgeable about making money online and then jump right in. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.